as we celebrate Eid al-Adha, I take this opportunity to salute all brethren and congratulate them on this day of Eid al-Adha. We all know that Eid al-Adha is a day of sacrifice, is a day of feasting, not fasting, is a day when we share the bounties given to us by Allah between our families, friends, but more so the less privileged. We ask all Ugandans and all brethren, please try to share what Allah has given you with all those that are in need. It is the practice which we commend that all of you take heart and share the bounties given to us by the Almighty Allah. I wish to commend all of you who turned up on Sunday when you had the function to celebrate the contributions and the services of the forefathers for what they did for the spread and propagation of Islam. We thank you for having turned up in large numbers. We thank you for having been part of history when we celebrate their contributions. If there's anything we've learned from these functions and from their work, is that we should always work for posterity. For posterity, everything will benefit you in your time, but will benefit many others who will come after we've gone. I also wish to sympathize and send a message of condolences to all those who lost their beloved ones who were on duty in Somalia, those who lost their loved ones in Kasese, and in many parts of the country, in Mitiana, in Masaka, and in so many other places. We pray that Allah may give them, may Allah rest their souls in peace. All we ask from security agencies, please be more vigilant so that everybody can enjoy this country in peace. We have enough resources, there's enough for all of us, but we only ask that please provide enough security to all of us so that we can all live in peace and harmony. I also wish to state that in the last 3 or 4 months, the road transport in Kampala, the roads were in a very sorry state. I wish to commend all those in Kampala State Council, in the Ministry of Works, for the work they have done in trying to patch up many of these holes. It's now a lot better, but we are not yet there. The only problem is that they have been using maram to repair these tarmac roads. We pray that in the next coming financial year, we see a resealing of all these roads so that we can move peacefully in Kampala. Why we raise these issues is that those who have the luxury of driving ramshackle vehicles, whenever you send it to town, you have to also send it to mechanic for repair. So that's why it is a big deal. Because once you go through these potholes, the damage to these vehicles is there for everybody to see. But we thank you for the interventions you've done, and we think you can do a lot better than what you've done, and we think we shall always be together. As we said, this is a day of sacrifice, it's a day of feasting, not fasting. We have to let you retire home, enjoy join your families and friends, and celebrate Eid al-Adha in peace. We thank all of you for having turned up. May the Almighty Allah bless all of you and guide us. And we meet again by the grace of Allah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa kullu am wa antum bi khair. Saba Supreme Mufti atuwe edua n'oluvanyuma tubenga tuddayo okusinkana abaagala baffe.